Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the law of forgiveness. Have you forgiven yourself? Have you forgiven others? If you haven't forgiven others, you're holding that resentment, you're holding that energy, you're holding that frequency, and you're attracting the same again and again and again. So forgiveness is the most important. It's just like holding a hot coals in your hands and expecting other people to burn, or drinking the poisonous and expecting the other person to die. So holding the resentment as a it's very important to forgive others or yourself. So whatever way you feeling resentment, uh, giving forgiveness to others or yourself, you have to let it go. If you're not going to let it go, you're holding that energy and you're attracting the same situations, same people, same things again and again and again. So that's what we're going to talk about, the law of forgiveness. And let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Bansal, and I am consultant of Thinking to Result. And my mentor is Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. And this is what I learned from my mentors. Everything to do with your own mind and the universal law. So this is the reason I'm talking about the laws, because they are most important. Most of the people are they're not aware of their laws and their own mind. 98% people are not aware of their laws. Even the smart people, the people who got degrees, they're not aware of their laws. I'm not talking about the laws as a law. I'm talking about the universal laws, beyond human being laws. This is what I'm talking about. So there is a laws beyond the human being. They are not in our control, and they are working all the time, day and night. Just like day comes after day, night comes, and just season comes after season, another season comes. It's an automatic process. Same with the laws, it's an automatic process, but they are fixed in in the laws, and everything works according to as our own mindset. So we have to understand our own mind, what we are made of, and then the mind works according to the laws. So today I'm going to talk about the law of forgiveness. Have you forgiven yourself? Have you forgiven others? If you haven't, you're holding that energy. If you're holding that energy, do you know what's happening? You're attracting the same situation again and again and again. Sometimes we think it does not really matter. Other people, they are not aware of it. Even though I'm holding the resentment for other people, or you holding resentment for yourself, not forgiving yourself, and you're not forgiving others, and whatever reason, doesn't matter, whatever reason around your business, your job, or family or friends. So if you are holding the resentment, not forgiving, and you're holding that energy is a blockage for you as you're achieving your goals. So whatever the goals you have as your business or your job, whatever goals you have, you're trying to build up your business, that is the blockage of your of your business or your job. So to forgive is the most important. So forgiveness is not about others, it's about yourself. If you're feeling resentment from any reason, your job or business or family or friends, you're holding that energy, and holding that energy, you are vibrating that frequency. According to that frequency, you're going to attract everything in your life. You're going to attract something you don't want, you're attracting. So this is a really important. People don't like forgive others. They just hold the resentment years and years, and every day they are feeling resentment, they're feeling angry, they're feeling upset, and it's not good for yourself, it's not good for your business, it's not good for your job, it's not good for your relationships. So we have to forgive others. If we don't forgive others, and then This is the reason we are holding that energy, and we are holding that resentment, and that is a blockage for everything, for the relationships, for the business, for the goals, whatever you're trying to achieve and trying to attract. This is the reason, that is a blockage for you. Sometimes people not even aware of it. Why they're getting the same result, why they're getting same, whatever you don't want, you're getting the same again and again. So forgiveness, law of forgiveness is the most important, and you have to forgive, and you have to let go of that energy. Whoever you're feeling resentment, you have to just forgive them, whatever they have done, even they have done something bad, and the according to the law we have to forgive them. And it's not about other people, it's about yourself. Once you forgive yourself, then you release that energy, and then you creating the new space, you creating the new energy and the space, and the things you want, the things you desire as your goals. So forgiveness is the most important. Even though you forgive, you don't want to see those people, not to give you energy, just leave them alone, and you let go of that energy, which that energy is not serving you. And yeah, the forgiveness, law of forgiveness is the most important. And please, if you're feeling the blockage and something not working for you, it might be the law of forgiveness. Try to forgive yourself if you have done something wrong to others, and just forgive. Don't keep holding that resentment. And as we are human being, we are not perfect, but we can try to be perfect, and we all make mistakes. And then as long as we forgive others and we forgive yourself and move forward, learn from whatever your mistakes you have done, learn from them and move forward to do get start to do focus on your start to do things better. And that's the only way. And forgiveness is the most important law. And and hopefully you're going to start using that law for yourself and for others. Forgive others and forgive yourself, and move forward and release that energy. That energy is not serving you all around. Yeah, so hopefully this lesson going to help you. It's really helping me, and I try not to hold the resentment, or try not to think about focus on something I don't want, something I don't like, and I just forgive and move forward. That's the only way. Not to think, keeps thinking about the same thing in a resentment. And yeah, that's the only way to do it. And love forgiveness. Hopefully, you're going to use this more often, forgiveness, and you're gonna move forward to your goals. And I think that's all. If you want to ask more question, please ask question. Asking question is going to help you. Whatever the answer you're seeking, you can ask question, and then I can answer them around this lesson. And thank you for letting me facilitating this lesson. All I'm doing just facilitating the information, and this information is coming direct from my mentor Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher, and this is what I learned from them. This is what I'm sharing with you. Hopefully, you're going to use this law also, the forgiveness, and forgive yourself and forgive others, and move forward and release that energy. Let it go, something not serving you, and start to create the new energy, something you want. Thank you, and thank you for letting me share the information with you, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.